Absolutely. Here's a detailed, engaging YouTube article on the Dodge pickup evolution. Part 1, the 1946 Dodge truck, crafted without referencing any vehicles, handing condition. Dodge pickup evolution Part 1, the rugged legacy begins 1946 Dodge truck. The year is 1946. The world is emerging from the ashes of World War II, and America is shifting gears, literally and figuratively, toward rebuilding its industries and economy. Amid this transformative era, Dodge steps forward with a rugged, dependable machine that would lay the foundation for generations of pickups to come, the 1946 Dodge pickup truck. Welcome to Part 1 of our Dodge Pickup Evolution series, where we explore the post-war birth of one of America's most enduring pickup legacies. The post-war American landscape. The end of World War II signaled a seismic shift in American manufacturing. Military vehicle production began to slow, and manufacturers returned to building for civilians. Dodge, which had produced everything from tanks to military trucks, now had to adapt to peacetime demand. But they weren't starting from scratch. The 1946 Dodge pickup trucks were largely based on pre-war designs, but don't let that fool you. These trucks were crafted with the kind of durability and simplicity that made them legends among farmers, tradesmen, and small businesses alike. The 1946 Dodge pickup, a glimpse at the classic. Known internally as the WC series, the 1946 Dodge truck retained much of the styling and mechanical layout from the 1939-1942 models. But after years of wartime utility vehicles, the 1946 model felt like a breath of fresh air to the American public. Design language. The 1946 Dodge pickup was all about functional charm. It featured a bold and upright grille, horizontal bars stretching wide, a squared-off cab, and robust steel fenders. This truck wasn't flashy, but it didn't need to be. Its presence was solid, purposeful, and proud. Cabin simplicity. Inside, you wouldn't find any luxuries or tech gadgets, just the basics: a metal dashboard, mechanical gauges, a large steering wheel, and a bench seat. But this raw minimalism only added to its appeal. It was honest. It was working class. It was Dodge. Built like a tank, literally. One of the most important reasons the 1946 Dodge pickup earned its reputation was its military-grade toughness. Dodge had just spent the war building WC series military trucks, and that experience bled into their civilian offerings. Under the hood was the legendary 218 cubic inch inline-six flathead engine, producing around 95 horsepower. It wasn't blisteringly fast, but it wasn't meant to be. What it offered was low-end torque, reliability, and ease of repair, key for farmers and businesses far from city dealerships. Transmission. A 3-speed manual transmission came standard, operated via a floor-mounted shifter. The gearing was perfect for hauling loads, climbing rugged terrain, or managing rural roads that were often little more than dirt paths. Suspension and chassis. The 1946 Dodge rode on leaf springs and a solid axle, and that meant one thing: rugged dependability. Whether hauling produce, lumber, or machinery, this truck got the job done with little fuss. Options and variants. One of the things that made Dodge trucks so appealing was their range of configurations. The 1946 pickup came in different bed lengths and styles: short bed, long bed, flatbed, and chassis cab versions that could be custom built for various uses. Additionally, Dodge also produced panel vans and stake bed trucks on the same chassis, making them ideal for delivery businesses or tradesmen needing enclosed space. The workhorse that rebuilt America. As post-war America rebuilt its infrastructure, industries, and economy, the 1946 Dodge pickup was on the front lines. It was the truck of the construction worker, the farmer, the delivery man. It was a symbol of American resilience: simple, strong, and stubbornly reliable. Its rugged build made it a favorite in harsh conditions. Whether climbing mountain trails, rolling through the farmlands of the Midwest, or navigating city streets under heavy load, the Dodge truck never flinched. Legacy in the making. The 1946 model didn't just sell trucks, it seeded a philosophy that would define Dodge pickups for generations. Built tough. Dodge pickups weren't designed for beauty contests, they were made to outlast and outperform in real-world conditions. Mechanically straightforward. With simplicity came reliability and ease of repair, essential for rural America. Adaptable to purpose. With multiple configurations and body types, Dodge trucks could be tailored to meet just about any business need. This legacy would carry forward into the Power Wagon, the Sweepline, the D-Series, and eventually the mighty Dodge Ram of modern fame. The cultural symbol. Vintage car lovers and truck enthusiasts today often look at the 1946 Dodge pickup not just as a utility vehicle, but as a symbol of post-war perseverance. Its angular lines, unmistakable grille, and Spartan interior evoke a sense of simpler times, when vehicles were built with iron, grit, and American pride. And it's no surprise that many of these pickups have survived decades later, restored by collectors or rotting gracefully in barns, holding secrets of a past era. Restoration and classic appeal today. Restoring a 1946 Dodge pickup has become a labor of love for collectors across the globe. Because of its straightforward mechanicals, it remains a favorite for vintage truck enthusiasts. Whether restored to factory specs or turned into a resto mod with modern upgrades, the 1946 Dodge continues to captivate. Classic car shows, auctions, and online communities now celebrate this icon, showcasing just how influential Dodge's early efforts were in shaping the American truck market. Why the 1946 Dodge still matters. Here's the truth. The 1946 Dodge pickup truck wasn't a revolution in automotive technology. But it didn't have to be. What it offered was dependability at a time when America needed it most. It represented strength during a period of national recovery. It gave Americans the confidence to build homes, start businesses, and dream bigger. More importantly, it established Dodge as a serious contender in the pickup world, a legacy that continues today in every Ram 1500 that rolls off the production line.